Okay, here we go. We're going to test it for the first time. Just going to turn the power switch on, which makes these energized. Now I'm going to plug the control unit in. And it's going to start, we're going to wait for it to start blinking. Now it's blinking, that means it's running. It's detected low water level. We're going to turn it on. We've now turned the machine on. It started filling. And we can watch it come over here until it touches the contact. It should run till about 4 seconds after making contact. It now thinks it's full, which is good. And now we're heating. And so far so good. The machine is on. I can hear it boiling.